Okay, we are changing the 12-volt battery on a 2008 Lexus RX 400h hybrid. 12-volt battery is located here under this cover. Remove these two fasteners here and here. Just pull them straight up. Cover comes off like that. There's your battery. When you're removing the battery, remove the ground first, which is usually the black or negative. Positive is always the red or positive with marked with the plus sign. On this battery you can see the negative symbol there, positive symbol is going to be there. And to remove this metal bracket, we'll need to come off, just remove the 2 bolts here and here. This one will have the rod that goes through down to the bottom. Okay, new battery is now in here. Installation is just reverse of what you did to take it out. So there's the shield around the side of the battery, slides straight up in the case of this car right here. Put everything back in there, reattach the positive first, then the negative after. You can use some battery terminal protector if you want. Usually helps them last a little bit longer and keep them from getting corroded. Good call if you have it, or if you want to buy some, it's pretty cheap. And then reinstall the bracket across the top to secure it down, and place your cover back on. It should be good to go.